Hello students, myself Nilima Gite. I am working as a lecturer in Kekeva Polytechnic Nasi. Today I am going to show you how to create a frame window in Java. So there are 3 to 4 ways to create a frame window. Now in this video I will show you the creation of frame window by extending a frame class and without extending the frame class. So let us start with the program. So here I'm creating one new document. So in this document, the first step is our importing the packages. So in Java, this frame class is defined in java.awt package. So here I'm importing this package import java.awt semicolon. Then the frame class is declared by using class name extends frame. So here I am using a class. My class name is frm demo and this class it extends the frame class. So here frame. Now inside this class I am taking one constructor that is frm demo and whatever output I want to display it on frame window that will be given inside this constructor. So here I want to add one button. So that button is created. Button B is equal to new button and the caption which is given on that button is OK. Now add this button using add in bracket B and then semicolon. Then the frame window defines setSize and setVisible method, which is used to set the size of frame window and to display the frame window. Now here I am using a set size function. The parameter to set size functions are width and height of frame window. So here I am using 300, 300, that is my width as well as height. Then the frame window will be displayed by using set visible function, set visible function and the parameter is true. Now the next step is here define main method public void public static void main and in bracket string argument. Now inside this main method, so I'm creating a frm demo object that is frm demo f is equal to new frm demo brackets semicolon. Now save this program by using frm demo. So here I'm saving this program on F drive. So the my file name is frmdemo.java. Save the file. Now compile it file by using javac frmdemo.java. Okay, you cannot find symbol, so here you can write it as string. Save the program again, compile it, then use Java frmdemo to execute it. So here as we can see this is a frame window and this one is a button which is added on a frame window. Now here only single component is added on frame window. So that component it occupies the whole frame window space because layout is not set for this frame window. So the default layout manager which is used for frame is border layout and when we add the component on container that is frame, so that component will be placed at the center region of the border layout and it will occupy the whole container space. Okay, so To avoid such type of the appearance, we can use a set layout method, and we can set either flow layout manager or grid layout manager. Okay. So I'm closing this frame window. So this is a one way to create a frame window. The second way to create a frame window is we can eliminate this extends frame keyword. So here we can declare the class as class FRM demo, and here inside the constructor we will create a frame object, that is frame f is equal to new frame bracket and semicolon. And then when we call the set size and set visible method, so these methods will be accessed by using a f object. So I'm using f dot set visible, f dot set size. Okay. And then here the object of this class will be created. So this is the second way to create a frame. Now here again save this file, compile it and execute it. Okay. So here add method, it gives error, that is cannot find symbol, because here we are adding this component on frame window. So I'm using as f dot add and b. So this button component will be added on frame window. Again save it, compile it and execute it. Right. So this is the frame window. Here one button is added. So these are the two ways to create a frame window. So hope all of you understand this program. So thank you very much.